Namaste, a warm welcome to this video. So let us take the next question on the average value. Question number 4. So for the given signal x of t, so we need to find the average value. The signal is this. This is the signal which repeats like this, and this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, and so on. So the peak amplitude is given as 2. This is x of t, right? So we need to find the average value for this x of t. So what is the first observation? The observation is, so t naught is going to be 1 second, because this is the portion that repeats for every 1 second, right? So therefore the t naught is going to be 1 second. The second is the second step is to find average value. Apply the formula. This is 1 by t naught. So integral over t naught. The t naught is going to be 0 to 1. So x of t dt. Correct? So what is this? This is going to be 1 by 1, 0 to 1 x of t dt, right? So now in order to get this average value, we need to get the expression for x of t, right? So what is the expression for x of t for the duration 0 to 1, right? So in order to calculate the integration, so 0 to 1 x of t dt, right? So all we need to get the expression for this, right? So we need to get the expression for this, right? So x of t for the duration 0 to 1. That means what we need is this. We need the expression for this 0 to 1. What is this expression, right? For this one, what is this expression? So now, so before we get this expression, so let us see the basics. So this is t. This is, let us call y of t, right? So let us say I have the signal which goes like this. This is slope 1. So now from the basics of mathematics, so we know that this is y of t is going to be t, right? This is going to be t. So 1 into t, right? So in general, so we have what is called the slope intercept form. So what is the slope intercept form? So this is, so y equal to mx plus c, right? This is what we studied in our mathematics. So now instead of x we have t, right? So therefore, so it is going to be, so in this case it is going to be y of t equal to, so 1 into t, because a slope is 1 here, that is the reason why 1 into t plus 0, the intercept is 0, right? So therefore, so this is what the expression for this y of t. So what I will do now, I will take this y of t and I will multiply with, so let us go to the next slide. So let us take the same signal, this y of t, right? Take this y of t and let us multiply with this. Let us multiply this with 0 to 1 with 1. Okay. So let us call this is z of t. If you multiply these two, so what will be the output now? So the output is going to be, this. This is 0. This is 1. So 1 into something, it is going to be some same, right? The slope is 1, right? So therefore, so we are getting a triangle. So whenever we have this straight line passing through origin, if you multiply with a pulse whose amplitude is 1, so you are going to get the triangle. With this idea now, let us go back and so get the expression for this. This is what we are supposed to get the expression. So let us so go to the next page. So now what we need is, this is what we need, right? This is 0, this is 1, this is 2. So therefore this is the part of signal x of t from 0 to 1. So this can be easily written as, so this is what is the slope here? The slope is nothing but change of y by change of x. So this is 2 by 1 into t, right? So what is the intercept? What is the intercept we have? The intercept is going to be 0, right? So let us say, instead of putting 0 for understanding purpose, let us so put it as c now. Let us put c. So what is this value? So this value, so let us say this is x of t is going to be 2t plus c. Now what is this c value? So c value, it should be 0, right? Because So if you substitute time t equal to 0 here, if you substitute time t equal to 0 here, it is going to be 0, right? So therefore the same should be satisfied here. So for that reason, so this c is going to be 0. So therefore the expression for x of t is going to be 2t. So this is for 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 1. So therefore we got y of t expression. So it is nothing but 2t. So once we know x of t expression, so let us go back and plug it in the formula. The formula was, so this is 0 to 1 x of t dt, correct? This is 1 by 1. So 0 to 1, this is 2t into dt. So what is this? 2 into, so t square by 2, so 0 to 1, correct? So and the final answer is going to be, so 2, this is 1 by 2, this is 0, so it is going to be 1. So the average value for this problem is 1, correct? So let us try to solve the same using a shortcut method. Shortcut. So what is that we have here? So this is what we have, right? This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, right? This is t. So we need to get the so average value for this. So what is the formula? We have 1 by 1. So area under the one time period. What is the area for this? The area is nothing but 1 by 2 into, so this width into height, right? L into b. So this is 1 into 2. So therefore this is going to be now 1. So this is how we can calculate the average value for some standard signals. So triangle is a standard signal, so rectangle is a standard signal. So for these basic signals, so one can easily find the average value by using the shortcut method. Okay, so with this we'll stop the video here. So next time when we meet, we'll solve a new question. So till then, take care. Namaste.